Hey there, welcome back to another video of GTK Forex Beginners Guide. This video is about what is a signal service and how do they work. Ever wish someone could just tell you exactly when and what to buy and sell in trading? That's exactly what a signal service does. Let's dive in. A trading signal is like a tip or alert that tells you what to trade, like XAUUSD or GBP JPY, when to buy or sell, where to set your stop loss, which is also known as SL, and where to set your TP, which is also known as take profit. It's like getting a cheat code for the market, but with real money on the line. A signal service is a group or system that sends you these trading tips, usually through Telegram, WhatsApp, email. You follow their signals, place the trade, and wait. Now, I have a community which is called the GTK community. If you're watching this video, you probably heard about it and you're basically taking value from it. So that's what I provide as well. How do they work? Signal providers usually do one of the two things: manual signals. These come from experienced traders analyzing the market. They check the news, trends, charts, and then send signals based on their strategy. Number two, automated signals. These are generated by algorithms or trading bots, fast, data driven, and emotion free, but sometimes less flexible than human insight. Using Signal is simple. You just need to copy the trade details into your broker's platform, set the entry, stop loss, and take profit, monitor the trade, or let it run if you've used SL and TP. No experience, no problem. Just follow the steps exactly as mentioned. Are Signal services safe? Here's the truth. Some are legit, some are scams. That's why you should always check their past performance and avoid services that promise guaranteed profits because no one can guarantee. What are the pros and cons? Pros are easy for beginners, saves time, can help you learn strategies. Cons, you rely on someone else's judgment. Some charge high fees or give poor quality signals. Not always profitable, it's still trading. A signal service can be a powerful tool, but it should support your learning, not replace it. Use it as a training wheel, learn from each trade, and one day you could be one of the sending signals. So that was all about it, guys. I hope this video made sense and I hope you all got a lot of value. We will go for another video in shortly, so I'll see you guys in the next video.